In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $1,800 in basically 24 hours, and I made this money while I was sleeping. So one day I woke up and I made $900, and then the next day I woke up and I made $900. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how I did this, and I'm going to make it really quick. This will be a quick video. I have longer videos. This will be a quick one. Okay, so this is exactly what I've done to make $1,800 in basically 24 hours without talking to anybody because my business is fully automated. I purchased a digital program one time, okay? One time purchase, right? For 900. And that now I have the resale rights to this program and four other, so I have four income streams. So I can earn 100, 300, 600, and 900 over and over again because of a one-time investment, okay? And I earn 100% profit per sale because this is master resale rights. It's when you buy a product one time, then you can resell it. But not only that, it's like a turnkey all-in-one business. So you get your own website, you get a sales funnel, which is how I made money in my sleep. You get access to a community. There's live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners to help you build your business. Training, support, everything is created for you. And all you got to do is set it up one time, and then your business is ready to go. And then you just have to promote it. So step two, my business is automated. That's how I made money while I'm sleeping. Okay. So what I'm doing is building my email list. People go to my link, they put their email in, they're inside of my automations, they watch these videos, and then we send out emails to them. So when you get started, you get 30 emails to begin with, high converting emails. And these emails send people to your sales page. Okay. So that's how I made $1,800 in 24 hours because two people, they put their email in and they ended up here to my sales page, my website, and they purchased the $900 product. Two sales for 900, $1,800 in 24 hours, which is wild for me because I wasn't born in a rich family. I wasn't born like learning about business. I've been overworked and underpaid my whole life doing like jobs that paid me anywhere from 10 to 30 bucks per hour. Okay. So making $1,800 in 24 hours is wild to me still, but it's not surprising because I understand how much value we have inside of this program. So I'm not surprised whenever I make money. Sometimes I'm surprised if I don't wake up and make $50,000 because that's how much value we have in this program, right? So I automated my business, one-time setup, and then this is what I do every day. Okay. People need to discover me. People need to discover your business, right? So we have this 2 hour workday that we teach. We have a training that's called the 2 hour workday. So basically every single day I create 3 pieces of content. That's mandatory. You post it to social media, videos. Most people do short form videos. You can do talking videos, faceless, B-roll videos. There's all kinds of things you can do. And we teach you how to do everything step by step. So I create 3 pieces of content a day. I go live and I post. I don't copy and like I don't post so many ads, like maybe around six a day, more or less. Okay. I mostly focus on creating content and going live. Okay. And I do this as a minimum 3 pieces a day, 30 minutes. I go live for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, at least once. Sometimes I do more. It's up to me. I do this, but I'm always consistent with this 2 hour workday. So 30 minutes, an hour, that, and then the rest of the time, you got to follow up. So if people are like, responding to your posts, you got to respond to their messages. You got to respond to people's messages, send them to your link, answer their questions, things like that. So the income earning activities are creating content, going live, and following up with messages, emails, comments. But we don't teach, you don't have to call, you don't have to do sales calls. You don't have to jump on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message people because your emails, your automations are doing the communication for you. So the only time I ever like really communicate with people is if they ask me questions on my lives or if they respond to my posts or they respond to my emails. That's pretty much the only time I communicate with people. Okay. So that's how I made $1,800 because every single day I'm consistent with this. I follow this 2 hour workday. I post content every day. I go live every day and I post free ads. So I did attraction marketing and I literally attracted two people to me, two strangers, guys. Total strangers will buy from you online if you're providing value. Okay. So people saw value in my posts and they purchased 2 products from me. And we teach you how to do everything step by step. And the cool thing is you learn and you earn as you go. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Just go to sevenfiguremonk.com if you want to learn more about this blueprint that I'm following, right? I'll just show you what the system looks like real quick and then we'll end this. Just a quick one. Okay. So when you get started with this business, this is my YouTube page. When you get started with this business, you don't have to create anything, like I said, turnkey, all-in-one business in a box. So you're going to get a proven sales funnel that looks like this. Okay. Looks like this. So what happens is people put their email in, like they go to your link, they put their email in, you're building your email list. They go through the sales funnel, they watch these videos, from my friend and mentor, Michelle. She's made over $6.5 million, guys, in 2 years, and she does mentoring inside of our community, daily mentoring with action steps. Plus, there's live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners inside of our community. So you get this whole system. This is the system, right? The sales funnel. People go through, they watch the videos. Okay, let me reload this. They watch the videos, right? And they read the words on the website. This was created by millionaires. Okay. So it's high converting. You can always edit this. You can edit things a little bit to your, if you want, but you don't have to, especially when you're brand new. I wouldn't like, why edit things, right? Just keep it as it is because it's proven to convert. So this is what we sell, guys. These are digital programs inside of the e-learning industry. It's a billion-dollar day industry. So there's four programs, so four income streams, 100, 300, 600, and 900. Information, training, education. You're going to learn how to build a seven-figure business online. You're going to learn how to automate your business. You're going to learn how to do email marketing, how to build your brand, how to attract customers, how to figure out who is your perfect customer, create a message that's going to connect with that perfect customer, build multiple streams of income, create your own products, create your own programs, create your own communities. This is all the kinds of things that you're going to learn in our program and more. Okay. So it's going to teach you how to make like, an abundance of money if that's something you're interested in learning about. Okay. So that's basically what the programs teach: education, training, information, e-learning. So you get to use this website. You can check it out yourself, sevenfiguremonk.com. Just take a look. And all you got to do is like put your pictures in. Okay. This is already pre-built. You just got to edit your information, basically. Edit a couple things, put your pictures in, and then you're going to have a proven website. Okay. This is me with hanging out with Michelle, the creator of the program. So this is for you if you're looking for something that's proven and step by step. This is not for you if you're not willing to take action. There's success stories all over the website, right? These are the products that people buy. So people go to your website, right? They purchase one. They purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900, and you get paid instantly. 100% profit to you. Okay. So if you want to get started, you buy one of the programs and you pay $39 for your website. I recommend the 900 because that includes all of the programs and includes all of the information. If you start at the lower level, you can always upgrade later. You got 30 days to upgrade, but every time you upgrade, you got to pay the $39 website fee. So I wouldn't upgrade more than once. That's for your information and for your customers' information, just so you know. There's also payment plans for you or your customers if you want to get started, or if they want to get started, then there's bonuses that you get. Okay, so this is a business in a box. Everything's created for you. You don't have to create anything. All you have to do is set it up and start promoting it. Okay, so this is where your products will be. This is where your products will be, right? You get certification training. All your products are here. Your bonuses are here. The information, the training, that is the product. Okay. Like it's just basically the trainings are just video modules. That's basically the training. That's the product. Okay, that's what it is. And then what you got to do is set up your website. So once you get started, you get your website set up, you follow the steps, get your website set up and your system. It looks like this. Then you're ready to go. You plug into our community here, okay, for training and support. This is where all the live mentoring is. This is where all the training is. People share their wins. So are people making money? Let's just check it out. Of course they are. I know they are because I mean, I made $1,800 in 24 hours. Plus, I'm inside of our community, guys, so I see people make money every day, literally every day. Look at 10 sales, guys, in 2 weeks. Okay, he made 10 sales in 2 weeks, guys. I don't know how many sales he made. I don't know if they're 900, but let's say he made 10 $900 sales in 2 weeks. That's $9,000. I don't know how much he made, though. I'm just speculating. Okay, so thankful is an understatement. She made $900 yesterday. Boom, right? $100, 6 sales in 3 weeks. Okay. Back to back, 900 and $300 ding, 100 in my first 6 days, 300, 1,800 in 4 days. So yeah, $1,300, whoop, whoop. See, paid through our payment processors. You get paid through like PayPal, Stripe, Square, directly to you, 100% profit. You don't have to split your profits. You don't have to wait a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to get paid. Look at all the wins, guys. It's ridiculous. There's wins all over the place. Okay. And this is just like in the past 24 hours. People are making money every single day. 900 while sleeping because we have automations, guys. The power of automations allows me to make 900 in the middle of the night. Are you kidding me? That's the power of this business. They keep coming. $1,500. Okay. They're following the blueprint. You got to follow the blueprint. You got to be consistent. You got to be coachable, right? You got to show up every day. So that's a community. There's live mentoring. See, this shows you in the calendar, the live mentorings, and there's also bonus training in the community. Okay. And then, so for when it comes to creating content, I just post content every day. I do long form videos on YouTube. I do shorts that I post all over the place on us on like multiple social media platforms. I do lives, okay. And I also copy and paste free ads. You see, you can post free ads. It's simple, copy and paste. It's really easy to do, right? We show you how to do all of this. Okay, so look at my ads. Like here's an ad that I posted. Let's go check it out. Right, here's an ad that I posted. You see, so people go into my ad, it takes them to my capture page, and it takes them to my YouTube channel.
Right.
Okay, that's the power of free ads. So yeah, this is the system that I use, guys. This is how I made $1,800 in 24 hours. So if you want to learn more about it, go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. Just put your email in, check the spam, check the junk, check the promotions folder. There's going to be a blueprint from me. It's going to say, hey, here's your blueprint. That's going to be the email. There's going to be a PDF in there. Take you a few minutes to read. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. And yeah, if you have any questions, you just reply to my emails. If you want to get started, just jump on in, get started, follow the steps. Everything is step by step. You don't even need my help. But of course, I'm here to help you and support you. So I'm always just one email away. And if you get started today and you want to do a strategy call with me, we can do a Zoom call so you can know exactly what you need to do to be successful, so you can feel comfortable and you can feel clear about what you got to do to be successful with this business. And then yeah, just get started, take action, and just keep on being consistent. Focus on your goals and just be consistent until you hit your goals. That's the secret sauce. Having a vision, having a system so money can come to you, and taking action every day until you achieve your goals. Okay, so make sure to like this video, share this with someone who needs it. Maybe you know someone who's struggling. Maybe they're stressed out financially, they have a lack of time, they have a lack of money, they're overworked and underpaid. Share this with them. This could save somebody's life. Okay, so like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Thanks for watching.